Hi boys and girls, please write your name at the top of your paper. The first phonogram we're going to work with is ang, as in hang. Please write the word hang on the first flower. H-ang, hang. We are now going to write one sound in each petal. H-ang. The phonogram shares a petal. Hang. Please write hang in the soil. H-ang. Hang. Let's try writing it up the stem. H-ang. Hang. Good job, we wrote hang 4 times. Our next phonogram is ing, as in fling. F-o-ing, fling. F-o-ing, fling. We have 3 sounds. F-o-ing. F-o-ing. Ing is going to share a petal because it's a phonogram. Please write fling below the flower. F-o-ing. Now going down the stem. F-o-ing. Fling. Good job. Our next phonogram is ong, as in strong. S-t-r-ong, strong. S-t-r-ong. I hear s-t-r-ong. I'm going to need 4 petals. S-t-r-ong, strong. Now in the soil below the flower, s-t-r-ong, strong. Now going down the stem. S-t-r-ong, strong. Our next phonogram is ank, as in prank. A prank is when you play a joke on someone. Prank. P-r-ank. P-r-ank. Prank. P-r-ank. We need 3 petals, 3 sound boxes. P-r-ank. Prank. Please write prank in the soil below the flower. P-r-ank. Prank. Now in the stem. P-r-ank. Prank. Our next phonogram is ink, as in pink. My favorite color is pink. P-ink. Pink. Petals. P-ink. 2 sound petals. P-ink. Pink. In the soil. P-ink. Pink. Now going down the stem. P-ink. Pink. Our last phonogram is ild, as in child. Ch-ild. Ch-ild. Iled. I hear ch and iled. I need two sound boxes. Ch, iled, child. Please write child in the soil below the flower. Ch, iled. Now going down the stem. Ch, iled, child. Way to go. All right, my friends, we are going to match the words in our word boxes with the picture. Our first word is call. Please find the picture of call. Ooh, I see a phone ringing. All call. Our next word is scroll. 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 Our third word is small. Look at the small mouse. Small. Small. Our next word is yell. Look at the boy. He's about to yell. Y-L. Y-L. Our fifth word is wall. W-all. Wall. Wall. Next line, doll. D-all. D-all. Goal, as in seagull, which is a type of bird. Goal. Goal. Then we have pull. See how the boy is about to pull the wagon. Pull. Pull. Next word is hill. H-ill. Hill. And our last is drill. D-r-ill. Drill. Drill. Way to go. You did great. I'm proud of you.